Hello, today we have this beautiful Nokia G11, and in today's video I will show you how you can remove password and bypass Google account on it. This method works for every single Nokia phone who is made by HMD. However, it's easy, simple, and it's doable. Let's not waste any time. Okay, we have this beautiful Nokia and it's locked, and it's also a Google account lock. In order to remove both of those, we will use tool. Let's go to computer and I will show you what tool we will use. Here is my beautiful channel, of course. Subscribe, turn all notifications on. Thank you very much for that. Next, we need download Phoenix Service Tool. We just download it. Boom. Here, it's final. Let's download it. Did you download it? Thank you very much. Also, what we need is drivers for it. We need drivers for Nokia Fastboot. How we can get those? I will leave link in description. You can just download it and install those. Okay, let's go to our tool. There you go. There is your tool. If you don't have account, go and register one. Name, email, password. Okay, and then you just log in. And here is how tool looks from the inside. And you can do all sorts of things from it. Nokia, Samsung, OnePlus, Realme, Oppo, Xiaomi. Now you can do Honor FRPs as well. Apparently it's FRP key. Soon as I get hands on one of those phones, I will show you. I will showcase it. Why not, you know? If this channel is about FRP, then yeah, no, it's one coffee there, one coffee there. I need a lot of coffee to run. Okay, enough about coffee. Right. Here on Nokia, we can go and press services. And here you can see reading information, reset user data, reset FRP, reset boot, reboot to bootloader. To be honest, I don't know how works reboot to bootloader. Never did it. Let's try it. I don't think so it will work. I have a little bit of not faith in that reboot in bootloader. However, it's not working. We need turn off phone first of all. Power off. Is it powered off? I guess so. However, we need go to the fast boot mode. How we can do that? Press power button and press volume down button at the same time. And how you can see, we are in fast boot mode. Next, what we need to do is plug the cable in and put phone down. Right, here you can see Android bootloader interface. That means if you see that, you are good to go. But it will not show if you don't have drivers for it. If you want to reset user data and FRP, it will cost 1 credit. How you can see, this operation will cost 1 credit. Where you can get credits? You go to my lovely website. Here in the middle, it's Phoenix Service Tool. And here you can purchase credit. Unfortunately, we can't sell you 1 credit because its cost of efficiency is 0. we can't even transfer you one credit. That's why we start at 6, 12, 24, and 50. You just put it in the basket, pay it, and we will transfer you credits to your account. And also please attach in the notes what is your email, what you use for registering on Phoenix Service Tool. Okay, are you ready to pay one credit? Yes, I am. Requesting permission. Requesting permission. Please request that permission. And erasing FRP. Making factory reset method 1. Okay. And okay. And that's practically it. And look at that. It's factory reset. Let's go to the next. Searching for Wi-Fi. Let's connect to the Wi-Fi. Do we? Yeah, let's connect it. I will not take phone out of the frame. Just make sure I'm not showing you password. Boom. Should be correct password. Should be. Authorization problems. Maybe it's not correct password. Wait, let me check. Password? Yeah. Fine. Now should connect. Thank you very much. I wanna connect to the internet to prove you this phone it's not anymore. No way you ask me for update. Oh my god. Maybe finally it will boot up. Who knows? Who knows? It just took me 40 minutes. Can't believe it. Just 40 minutes of video footage when showing how phones updated. However, I wanna say you, it doesn't matter which Android version you have, that tool will work with any Android version. Same as for Samsung, Xiaomi, it doesn't matter which Android you have. It just works. Right. Do we get another update? Let's see. Maybe Nokia you want update like 5 times. Literally want to bin this phone. They can't. What you mean? I ain't connected. Where is the next button? Come on. Get phone ready. Hopefully. It's been just 40 minutes. Till you updated. Are you serious? Can I set it up offline? Set up offline. I can't believe it. However, PIN is removed and Google account as well is removed. Everything is removed. And how you can see, I can set it up on fully without any problems. Of course, you need updated 100 times. Thank you very much for watching. If you need any help, feel free to contact us. Thank you very much. Peace.